So I found these handcuffs in Neil's office, and I'm planning to use them to arrest Tim, but I don't know. I hope it works. He's been out of control lately. I don't even know if I can get him into the handcuffs. Oh, hey Tim. What's up? Damn it.
Oops.
Damn it. Oh! Fuck! Ruined my plan! How do you shut this off? Oh.
The whole Grace handcuffs thing, I think she has some kind of kinky fantasy about chaining me up to my desk or something. I don't know. She probably shouldn't be talking about stuff like that in front of the camera or in the office. That's sexual harassment. And we don't take kindly to that here. No. No, we don't.
Kinky fantasy?
Don't we have an anti-black
Kinky
policy down here?
fantasy.
I mean,
Do these look like fantasy? Because they don't look like fantasy to me. They look real. Real. So get used to it, Tim. You're going behind bars. And it's no fantasy, it's reality.